So you've seen The Wolf of Wall Street and the E-Trade commercials, and now you want to become the next millionaire Instagram playboy. Well, I've got some bad news for you. $300 in a Robinhood account isn't going to make you a millionaire. However, I can teach you how to make enough money to pay down student loans, put a down payment on a house, or buy your dream car. And maybe, just maybe, you can become a millionaire as well with persistence and hard work. Or dumb luck, but probably a bit of both. Before we dive into the stock market, we need to discuss what I consider the golden rule of investing, and that is to only invest what you're willing to lose. When choosing an amount of money to invest, you need to stop and ask yourself, if my account went to zero tomorrow, would it A, suck balls, B, cause me to miss rent, or C, ruin my life for the foreseeable future and possibly forever? Because at the end of the day, losing money sucks, but it shouldn't cause any real harm to your lifestyle. As in, you shouldn't be living in a cardboard box under the overpass if you lose all your money. I funded my first account with $1,000. At the time, I was living with my parents and just started a new job making double the pay of my previous gig and had a sizable savings account, so I could afford to lose that $1,000. The amount of money you can afford will vary, but I suggest saving up to at least $500 to $1,000 to start. Can you make money with less? Absolutely. But if you're paying commission fees, it will be harder to profit on trades. This brings us to the next point. You need to choose a broker. Now, what is a broker? Well, they basically act as a third party between your money and the companies you're investing in. They usually charge a small commission fee for each trade, which is how they make money. E-Trade is a broker, along with other popular choices like TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, and Vanguard. I'll make another video going in depth comparing brokers, but in 2018, the differences between them have gotten smaller and smaller. Most offer similar commission rates and also have similar trading interfaces. I personally use TD Ameritrade. Why? Because when I was new, I Googled best online broker and chose the top choice on some random list on the internet. But in all seriousness, TD Ameritrade has an excellent trading platform called thinkorswim. It will be featured heavily on this channel, so keep that in mind. That being said, choose whatever broker you want, but sticking with the big two, E-Trade and TD Ameritrade, is probably your best bet to be able to trade a wide variety of stocks. But what about Robinhood, you say? I love the concept of a commission fee trading platform, and the app is simple and intuitive, which is great for new traders. However, Robinhood has a major flaw that makes me hesitant to recommend it for new investors, and that's the lack of paper trading. If you're unfamiliar with that term, paper trading is basically using fake money to trade real stocks in real time. This is great for learning how to properly execute trades and test strategies without risking any of your actual money when you're new to the game. So that about wraps up this video. In review, before you do anything, you need to 1. Decide how much you're willing to lose, 2. Save up a minimum investment of $500 to $1,000, and finally 3. Choose an online brokerage. I'll include some links in the description to popular brokerages. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because in the next video we'll discuss how to find stocks and execute your first trade.